As you may recall from one of our previous videos, we had a silver Corvette C3. We cleaned it up and it sold within less than a week. So now it's time to start a new project. And Pete is just about to arrive with it.
Yeah. All right, mate. So what we got here is a Lada Torino 4x4.
What's under the bonnet?
1.6 petrol. Cool. Let me show you, man. Let me show you.
All right.
This car's got pedigree, man. I love cars with pedigree. See how this works, man. Back in the day. Look,
yeah,
everything's been thought about. I mean, look at that. 1991, by the way.
I love the spare wheels in the engine, boy.
Spare wheels right there. The windscreen wiper. Everything's working on this car. You just need to clean this car, man. And we'll be on a little winner here. Somebody will be happy with this. There's people looking for these cars these days. And it's a special car. It's got 5-speed, believe it or not. You can't go wrong with this. Especially with the traffic nowadays.
5-speed.
Yeah.
I like the way it says velocidad. It's in Spanish.
Yeah, it's in Spanish. It's Spanish delivery. I mean, I got a phone call yesterday. A guy said, "Do you have a car for me?" Somebody drove into me. People driving into people all the time now. It's gone up 25%. We got this.
Well,
can't drink it, but look at this.
You drive into somebody with this, you'll come out the winner.
I come out the winner. Look at this. Look at this. Look what we got, mate. Look.
It comes with the spares.
Look.
That is awesome.
Full radiator here, extra. Yeah. Just open up. Look. Have a look, mate. You're gonna love this. Yeah.
Carburetor.
It's like a little car boot sale, mate.
You got alternator.
Yeah, look at that.
Fan.
Yeah, that could be my steering wheel for my boat.
Oh.
And a locking key.
Wow.
So we got it all, yeah? Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love it. This can be cleaned up really, really well.
It's a great car. It's actually a cult car. This is on the same level as a Golf GTI 1 these days.
They use a lot of these cars in rallies.
Love it.
Let's get this cleaned up. Okay, so we need to get this car prepped for sale. So we're gonna have to give this a wash, get all this dust off, and these stickers as well. We need to get these stickers off because they look terrible. Touch up the bits of rust here and there. Give it a polish, bring that nice paint back, and give the interior a bit of a clean up. The car is in pretty good condition. We don't really need to do anything mechanical. It's just making it look a bit more presentable. And then hopefully we'll get a buyer and we'll make a little bit of profit. Okay, so we've taken all the dust off the car. Now we need to get these horrible faded stickers off. I don't recommend using a knife or anything like that. The best thing to do is soak them in some WD-40 or any penetrating oil, and you leave them like 10 minutes, something like that, and then use an old card, little plastic card like this, and scrape it off, pretty much. WD-40, great stuff, serves many purposes. We've got to let that soak in for like 10 minutes and they should come off relatively easy, but still, you know, got to put some effort into it. if I can get this off in one piece. Do it? Will it do it? Come on, come on, one piece. Come on, 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 get. So we got the stickers off, comes up pretty good. The front had a little bit of a problem with the glue, so what we're going to do is well, we got the glue off, but the paint where the adhesive come off and the rest of the car looks very different and it looks a bit odd. Might be a bit of a problem to sell, so we're gonna paint this area here, paint it like maybe a black, sand it down, and it'll give it a bit of a two-tone bonnet, and hopefully that'll look pretty cool. So we're going to do that. We're also going to paint the wheels up because they're a little bit rusty and make them look nice, give them a bit of a black finish, and yeah, that should be more or less it then. As the car, you know, it doesn't look great as it is. The paint has faded quite a lot. So to match the rest of the car, I'm going for a matte black look. If I went for shiny, it wouldn't look right. You'd have a shiny bonnet and a dull car. So matte black, I think, should match this quite well. It should look good in a two-tone. And I didn't want to spray the whole bonnet because this Lada has a really big bonnet. And I think if I sprayed the whole thing, it would look a little bit silly. So I'm just doing part of the bonnet, and fingers crossed it's going to look all right. Never done a Lada Niva before, so let's see how it turns out. There's a bit of wind, so I'm fighting with the wind, just because if I go too close, it's going to be too much and it's going to run. But if I come too far away, the wind's blowing it away. Should have picked a less windy day to do this, but I didn't have a choice. We got to get this car done. Like unwrapping a giant Christmas present. So the Lada is just about ready. It's an old 4x4, so I didn't want to do too much to it. Just wanted to make it look nicer, a bit more presentable. So we gave it a clean off, got rid of all the dust, because this thing's been parked up for quite a while, so it was very dirty. So cleaned them all off, then we removed the stickers. That's made it look so much better. You can see out the back window now. The front sticker was a challenge, like you saw, so we had to give that a bit of a two-tone paint, which I think has come up pretty nice. And that's it now. He's all ready to sell. So the type of buyer for this, well, I'm not sure if this would actually be a good daily driver. It's 1991. It's old, but it doesn't have the comforts of a more modern car. There's no power steering. So, you know, you drive this thing every day, you can end up with arms like Arnold Schwarzenegger. But, you know, it depends if that's the kind of thing that you want. You know, if you like to sort of like, if you like the old style cars, no power steering, manual choke, you know, a bit of roughness, then this thing's perfect for you. If not, this is great for like off-roading, someone's got a farm, that type of thing. This is what this car is designed for. And you know, if that's you and you're interested in this Lada, well, I'll be putting a link in the description below so you can find out more about it, see some photos, and you know, you can make me an offer and this could be yours. If it does sell, I'll also put a mention to that in the comments, so you'll know what happened to it. But like I said, if you're interested, hit the link below and this could be yours. So there we go, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to see more videos like this. We got more cars coming, you know, you'll have to see what's coming. We got a nice car coming next week, very nice indeed. You might like it, so make sure you subscribe so you find out what it is, and give us a comment. Tell us what you think about this Lada. If you think we did a good job, if you think we should have done a better job, you know, give us your thoughts. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and we can start a conversation. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care now.